Here's how to share a PDF document in Google Meet. So first of all, minimize your Google Meet. Go to your Files app and navigate to the folder where you stored the PDF file. So open the PDF with any option. So I'm selecting open with Samsung PDF reader. So just go ahead and open the PDF, which PDF you want to share on your Google Meet. Now go back to your Google Meet, and from your Google Meet tap this three dot and tap on screen share, tap on continue, and here select share one app, or you can choose entire screen. Tap on continue. Which app to share? We have to select our PDF, and that's it. As you can see, I've successfully started to share my PDF document on my Google Meet. Thanks for watching.